Hey, welcome to Shimmer Blast. Do you want to create this fun snow and icicle look at your upcoming party or for the holidays? To get started, take white butcher paper and cut a rectangle. Cut the rectangle in half on the diagonal. Then roll it loosely. It does not need to be perfect. Put 5 clear pieces of tape along the seam. Cut the top evenly. Then make 6 half-inch slits towards the center. Fold the slits inward. Then crumple up the icicle. Straighten it out again. I made about 20 large paper icicles out of butcher paper and 15 small out of printer paper. I just sat and watched a movie while doing this project. Next, I used glitter spray paint to make the paper icicles glisten. I used blue painter's tape to stick the icicles to the ceiling. For the snow, I used cotton balls and threaded them onto clear fishing line. I used about 100 cotton balls, and it did take a bit of time. Sometimes the cotton balls needed to be fluffed depending on how the needle went through it. I strung the cotton balls all together initially to keep the process moving. I didn't cut the 4-foot or 2-foot snow strands until the end. This next part created a wonderland maze. I strung fish line all throughout my house and moved cotton balls along the line about every 6 inches. Then I put a dot of hot glue on one side of the cotton ball, making sure it touched the fish line. I went along and cut sections to make 4-foot strands and 2-foot strands to hang up. I used blue painter's tape to hold up the paper icicles. I cringed while I used clear tape to hang the strands of snow, but I didn't keep it up longer than 2 weeks and the tape came off easier than expected. I used these paper icicles and cotton ball snow decorations for my daughter's birthday. It was a Disney's Frozen inspired theme. They were the perfect decorations, but you can use them to create any snow-themed party or for the holidays. For more Frozen-inspired party decorations or fun-themed party ideas, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.